Hi, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to do the review with Pelican Air 1535. So recently I just brought this Pelican case from Taobao, and I asked a lot of people to recommend me one brand new small carry-on size case for me. So I'm going to unbox this. Okay, guess what kind of color with this? Orange, silver, black?
Nah, yellow.
I'm not quite sure.
It's yellow, right?
Ta-da, ta-da. Ta-dee. Orange. Okay, for the orange case, this divider, I will talk later. For inside,
So the orange ones are for the construction workers, right?
yeah, kind of instruction worker thing. So inside, I see it. It's Pelican patty divider. We got 4 different length divider, 2 small length with the divider, 2 longer one, and also the pin. Ta-da! The cutting tool for here, and 1 instruction manual. For the divider, we can see the patty divider for the outside. Internal got 1.
So this one's
form.
the TrekPak.
Yeah, for TrekPak.
So instead of the TrekPak, you have too much money and you bought this, right?
No, this for the optional thing. Optional thing.
Yeah, so you have 2. So
yeah.
it came with the TrekPak, but you have too much money. That's why you bought the dividers, right?
Yes,
Pretty
right.
much.
Right. For the TrekPak, you can just open it like doing the cutting tools. This is the pin. The hole, 2 holes from here. 1 for here. Already. Second one would be here. Da da. Yes. Blah blah blah. You can do it, modify it by yourself.
Yeah, I thought you're using this one right now.
Yeah, I'm
Just
using
the
that
paddle.
the insert first. The patty divider first. Da 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 da. The divider. And then guess how much for this one from Taobao cutting?
It's 500.
No, not that much. Only 300 something. Include
Talking about RMB here. Right?
RMB, like 15 US dollar.
Yo, this color looks
So
bad with the
yeah,
case.
I know. For the case, it's so bad. Okay, this is the patty divider. You can put your camera, lens, accessory, that kind of thing into it. So for the comparison with the Nano Air 1535.
What do you mean Nano Air?
Oh, no, yeah, Pelican 1535 comparative to the Nano 935. There's 2 different hard case. For this one is the way is lighter than the Nano one.
We have the 1535 Pelican Air.
Yes.
And we have the Pelican 1510 not here. And we also have the Nano 935. So these 3 cases are the hard cases that are similar size and the most popular ones. Then
And
let's talk
also
about
one of the Pelican won the other series for the
Forget about the storm. Forget about the storm. No one buys those.
It's too heavy.
Right.
That one's too heavy.
And with the interior space.
For the interior space, only compared with the 2 Pelican, the height they are the same. Only the width.
The height, the 1510 is actually like 50 centimeters tall. It was a little bit higher than so the interior space. And then with the length, this one's actually got a little bit more space, about 10 centimeters.
Almost.
Yeah.
Almost
and then
10
with the
centimeters.
width, it's the same thing, probably 10 centimeters.
Yeah.
But this case is actually lighter and also slightly bigger. Besides the height is actually a little bit shorter.
Shorter a little bit.
But everything else is a little bit bigger, right?
Yeah.
And with the weight, this one is 4.7 kilograms.
4 point
4.7
something.
kilograms.
Yeah.
Without the dividers.
Yes.
And then with the Nanook 935 is
I'm not
about
quite sure.
5.4 kilograms or 5.6 kilograms.
Should be.
And then with the 1050, which is the heaviest of them all, is 6.2 kilograms.
Kilogram.
And then
So-
there we have it. So with these three cases, the only difference is pretty much some of the small designs. The wheels are kind of better on the
Pelican
Nanook
1
and the Pelican area right here. The Pelican 1510, their wheels pretty much sucks. I don't know what else.
Nothing.
handles
The
are a
handle
little
is
bit
better than the.
With all three
than
cases,
one.
the handles are a little bit different.
Yes.
So this
I
one
prefer
just-
this one than the Pelican one. I really like the Pelican one because for the Nano one, they also I could show it for
I mean,
you.
no, let's just forget about it.
Forget about it. Yeah.
And then the latches are also different with every Pelican. It's just like you just click it like that. Whereas the Nanook one, you have to kind of, I prefer the Nanook one. But other than the latches, everything else I kind of prefer the Pelican.
Okay.
How about you? Same thing?
Same thing.
Pelican?
Pelican.
Yeah, but the latches, I mean, Nanook has a pattern on it, so I guess Pelican can copy it. So that's why Pelican has these like just grip screens. The only like problem with these is if you drop it like really hard, the case is gonna open. If you drop it from like let's say like 4 meters or 3 meters, and you only got 2 latches, it's gonna open.
Okay.
So I
So
guess that's pretty much it for the case here.
Pelican 1535. But one more thing, you can change the other color for the latch and the handle. So you can buy it from the Pelican website.
All right, you should
Yeah.
get a green case and a green latches. you know.
How come I got a green case? I really like the orange one.
I just get everything green. All right, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Yeah, I'll catch
Bye
you
bye.